Jason, great stream. Can you check the recording?
I thought you were recording.
No, I thought. Check the folder.
Yeah, I'm checking. There's nothing there. It's not there. It's not there.
Dang it, we need that high-res recording in 1080p.
We can't download it from Facebook or YouTube at 720p.
Ooh, have you tried checking Restream automatic caption?
Who said that?
Hi, it's me, your Restream Fairy, here to make sure everything is alright.
Are you seeing this too?
Yep. I'm seeing it.
On the left-hand side of Restream, click on Recording and download the video in 1080p. If you streamed in 1080p, of course.
What?
You can also download the audio or play the video right from there.
Thanks, Restream Fairy.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Remember to use the link on your screen for a discount in Restream. Until next time.